Hello viewers, today in this video I will show you how to make a histogram or create in this Microsoft Excel. So first of all, I just input my data set, that is ID, and another one is CGPA of some students. I just collect. Now for doing histogram, we have to create a bin. That is easy, that is just make a sequence of the result. We show that here is our minimum value is 3 and maximum value is 3.85. so we just start with the minimum value, that is 3, and then enter 3.1. okay, then select these two rows and drag down to till 3.9, because our we can drag down to last, but we know we just no need this. We just need 3.9 because our highest value is 3.85. so the bin is created. Now we just use data, enter data, then data analysis, then in this functions we just select the histogram, just easy, and enter OK. so we have to input the range. Input range is our variables is our data set from CGPA. This is our input, and another is bin, which is created before, you saw that, and that is bin. okay, we have to click on labels, because we select with also labels, and we have to select the output range. okay, this is our output range, and we have to click on chart output, because we just show the histogram and with dataset. okay, then enter OK. okay, we just find the result, that is our bin, and this is this frequency, and this is histogram. so in this histogram the datas are strict with each other, so we have to use easy, no problem, we just use quick layout, and that is okay, this, and we just see that this is histogram, and there is no gap between between the values, and this is the histogram. so hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.